Hi, today we're going to be talking a little bit more about the IPL, how it works, and wavelengths. So the IPL light is polychromatic, non-coherent, and divergent. So what do those words mean? So polychromatic just means many colours and many different wavelengths. Non-coherent is intense pulses of light that are delivered over one or a series of short pulses, and divergent is that the light that emerges from the light is very large. So IPL is intense pulses of light covering over a range of many colours and wavelengths delivered in short pulses or a series of short pulses that target those chromophores that we spoke about previously. So what is a wavelength? A wavelength essentially is colour of light that is measured in nanometers. Normal laser technology has one wavelength, whereas IPL is really clever and it has a range of wavelengths. So when the IPL light hits an object, it absorbs certain wavelengths. Every object has different wavelengths. So the IPL machine uses something called selective absorption, where it directs the light to a target area without damaging the surrounding area, so the skin, essentially. We use different energy to control that selective absorption. So with IPL, we use light filters, and if you can see, so these are the wavelengths. These are the colour, the filters, and they have different measurements of wavelengths. They have different colours to block out different lights. You can't really see on here. I'll use those ones. And each filter will depend on what treatment you're having. So let me show you a little diagram again with my fabulous drawing. Okay, so here's the layers of the skin. You can see with laser hair removal, we need to get right down to the base of the skin with that downward papilla. So we use the biggest wavelength, whereas other treatments you won't need to penetrate so deep. So we use the filters to block out the light, to block out the wavelengths, so we don't damage or affect anything underneath those layers. So IPL, we're using scientific application of light to specific parts of the body to activate results. So yeah, lots of big words there, but essentially what we're doing is using light technology to penetrate the skin. Using our wavelengths and filters, we are blocking out unwanted light and wavelengths so that we are targeting the right chromophores for the right treatment.